What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the Shoe Palace. Hold up, I need to do a swap-a-rooney real quick. I took the beaters home on accident. Hope you guys are all doing well. I am doing great, man. Can't complain. Another day, another blessing. You know how it goes. So if some of you guys are paying attention to some of the previous videos, you might have heard me slip up and say that I had wheels for the ISF already. What do we have here? Oh, yup. So these are the LMs for the C63. Probably wondering, like, bro, those are Mercedes, this is Lexus. So these LMs are actually 5114. I ran a stud conversion to fit them on the C63. I guess the cool thing that actually worked in my favor, the C63 and the ISF actually share similar offsets when it comes to aftermarket wheels. But cool thing about the ISF is you can go like a little bit more aggressive. Not too many ISFs out there on LMs. It's pretty rare. Sadly, there is a ton of ISFs out there on TEs. It's kind of like the go-to wheel for that car. So I felt like, hey, why not, man? This spec works. Why not just keep these for the ISF? I already did the math and the calculations before I even sold the bins, and I was looking at the ISF, so that's why I held on to these and didn't sell them with the car. I'm not gonna keep them this finish. Although this looks great, I don't know why, but just this dull lip and the colorway of this look like reps to me. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like, these are 100% authentic BBSs. Like, they're real. This is the same colorway that they make the rep BBSs in, and I kind of hate that. So I'm gonna be taking these to my boy. We're gonna recoat them a new color. I think this is gonna look really, really clean on the ISF. So I knew I was forgetting something. I left my damn camera at the warehouse. But that's why we have iPhones, right? 4 19-inch wheels fit very nicely in the back of the ISF. So it ain't that small. You know, a lot of people complain that these cars are small, but it ain't that bad. You could fit another one in the trunk and one on the seat. So 6 wheels in the ISF, not bad. I would say it's a pretty good daily. All right, guys, we here. Check out the wheels. So originally I was just gonna bring them this one just to fix the curb rash and clean it up. But then I was like, you know what? Why not just recoat them? I'm not gonna lie, guys, these look like reps. $6,000 wheels, they look like $1,000. So we gonna have to change that. Definitely want to keep the stocks. I just don't know if I want to do the stocks all black so I can have some black wheels, or just redo them in the gunmetal, because I actually like how they look. The gunmetal gray looks pretty clean. It's a little brown right now, but these black with spacers actually look really clean. But the gray on gray hits too. I need to take this off. Like some old ass PPF from 2009. My boy just wrapped his F80. It looks hard. Let's take a good look at the wheels. When I get them back, they won't look like reps.
One debt to society later.
Nice Evo. Clean. Do I want another one? Fuck no. What is happening, guys? Welcome back. We hopping back into this video from whenever I dropped the wheels off, which was like a couple weeks ago. And finally back in the ISF. I got everything all buttoned up, got the light back. Everything's all good right now with the lights. So yeah, finally driving the car again. Basically, since I dropped the wheels off, the car's pretty much been down since then because I had no headlight. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing great, man. Can't complain. Another day, another blessing. You know how it goes. At this point, I might as well just put that on a shirt because I feel like I say it every video. But you know, it's factual. Every day is opportunity. Every day is another day that someone else out there is very unfortunate not to have. So count that as a blessing, man, and just keep pushing. But man, guys, I am super excited. Compared to how they looked when I dropped them off and how they look right now, bro, the wheels look crazy. Obviously, you don't see too many ISFs on BBSs. Not saying it hasn't been done before, but definitely see a lot of raised wheels, a lot of TEs. And I don't blame them. You know me, I love my TEs. Out of a lot of the cars I owned, this one has, as far as like stock, it has the best induction noise to this thing screams. Woo, look at that other side, god damn. Oh, nah, bro, I gotta come back in that? Oh, nah. Normally I'd be driving chill in this thing, because, you know, V8 life, but I guess I'll waste a little bit of gas for you guys. So I really want you to hear it now. I actually did end up picking up an intake. I'm probably gonna put it on later today. I just want to see if there's like a noticeable difference on video and obviously in person with the intake. I'm gonna assume the induction noise should be pretty loud in the cabin, so we'll see. I'll be putting that on later. I was gonna pick up an RR Racing one. The guy just completely bailed on me. We had an agreed day to meet up, and I hit him up the day before and no reply, so I don't know what was good with that. But I just picked up a K&N one. I mean, intakes pretty much all do the same. I just want it for the noise. Will it sound better than the E90? Questionable. I don't know, man. The S65 sounds really good. Like, if you have a nice exhaust on it. But these cars also sound really good too. And don't get me wrong, the C63 sounds great too. Like, the C63 to me just has more of a pure like V8, like real throaty AMG sound. I feel like the ISF and the E90 have more of an exotic note. Especially the E90 because of that high RPM. But these things with a good exhaust sound insane. Like, bro, if you got the chips, if you can get a full Novell setup, this thing sounds like, I swear, like a baby LFA, bro. It's crazy. It almost has like a V10 note, which is insane. But that exhaust system is like 13 grand. Headers back. So I think there's only like 2 people in Japan that weld those, so it's very like limited, and the wait time is probably insane on that. When your exhaust costs half of the car, that's how you know you ballin'. We do have an exhaust coming. I have a company that actually reached out to me, and they're sending me an exhaust. It probably should be on the way in like a week or 2. It's just like a full stainless setup. It should sound pretty good. I mean, I feel like you can't make this car sound bad. So we'll see how I like that setup. I mean, at the end of the day, if I don't like it, I can switch it up later. And I was just gonna do like a Josie exhaust. I feel like for the money, Josie sounds the best in my opinion. I'm not spending 4 or 5 grand for an exhaust for this car. Like, the headers are basically already 3K, so yeah. Not gonna happen. This thing does not need to have a $7,000 exhaust setup and make low 400s. It's just stupid. Alright guys, it is time. These wheels about to be buzzing, watch. There they are. Honey, I shrunk my BBS's. Ooh, okay. These is hitting. ADV1s. It's hitting like VBS's. Alright guys, drum roll. Let's see the wheels. God! God! Jesus. Bro, they came out so freaking clean. Amazing. Obviously, we're gonna have to run blue center caps. The red is just gonna be kind of off, but it's cool for now. But yeah, these came out beautiful, bro. Literally beautiful. Not gonna lie to you guys, I was gonna do black chrome. These ones are actually black chrome because I know that the black chrome would have just went so well with my color, but I was just being cheap, didn't want to pay for it because triple chrome looks almost just as good. My ears, my ears! Oh, nails on a chalkboard. Oh, damn. Price-wise, black chrome is a lot more expensive than triple chrome, and triple chrome still looks amazing. So, whew, compared to what these looked like before, bro, my gosh. M340 wheels, those were actually not triple chrome. Those were just high polish. Those ones were custom 3-piece, and these ones are just 2-piece. We re-barreled the rear, so we went a little bit wider on the rear. The front, I think he said if we shave a little bit of the back pad, then we can go a little bit wider on the lip. So we might eventually go wider on the lip. But for now, it's definitely gonna have that like staggered look. We'll see how these tires fit. If I have more room, I might upsize the tire, but most likely I'm probably just gonna keep these just since it has a mild stretch. But nah, man, these things look phenomenal. I can't wait to put them on. All right, guys, we up out of here. All the wheels loaded up. Super excited to put these on, man. I can't wait to see how they look. Huge shout out to my boy Bulletproof Coating. Always taking care of my wheel needs because I got a wheel problem. It is about that time. Gonna finally have some decent fitment because this fitment is ass cheeks, not gonna lie to y'all. We are swapping out the OEM BBSs for some aftermarket BBSs. I know the red center cap might not flow too well with like the tiny blue accents we got going on. Out with the old and with the new. Woo. This car's about to level up like crazy. Damn, that's shiny. There it is, guys. Obviously still gotta drop it, but I'm gonna wait until we put the rear on, then I'll drop both sides to show you guys. So right now I'm running a small spacer and the fitment is like, it's okay, but we still need to push it a little bit more. A 15 mil honestly would be perfect. The only issue we have with that, I feel like I'm gonna have to shave this tab right here. Besides that though, we shouldn't have any rubbing. We might have some rubbing right here. That's nothing but the fender liner, so we'll see. I'll drive it like this and see how it does. Definitely 100%, the red center cap is like throwing me off. It just looks so out of place to me. We're gonna get the blue BBS caps. That'll make it look so much better. Let me get this rear on and then we'll drop one side. Ooh-wee. The rear should fit perfect. I don't think we'll need any spacer for the rear. Oh yeah, that's good. Might have to go a little bit lower as far as being functional. Definitely not gonna rub. Woo. That joint look clean. Woo. I'm gonna drive it like this, see how it does. But this looks perfect. It's just the front really needs that extra spacer. 15 mil, 100% in the front, a little bit of trimming. I think the front will sit really nice. So I'll talk to my boy over at AR and see what we can do with this. We're gonna make it better, so just give me some time on that, but at least the rear is pretty much perfected. Since we're here, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the new intake on. I'm real curious to see how this thing's gonna sound.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It is hot in here. All right, guys, intake is installed. Everything's all good. At least I think so. I guess I'll find out. So minimal driving, really no rubbing, kind of the same with the other wheels, so that's a good sign. Man, once I seen them outside, bro, they were hitting. Definitely got to get rid of the center caps though. It's like not killing it, but the blue ones will just like look so much better. So obviously you're not gonna notice any intake noise driving normal. Okay, that's definitely noticeable. Oh, it's a little louder on the downshift too. Oh yeah, it's actually a lot louder. Nice. I mean, it's 90 degrees outside, so I don't expect to feel anything, but the sound is there. Sounds good. Probably sounds really good from the outside. Well, I gotta say, so far today was a success. Wheels look great. Gotta work with the front fitment a little bit. If anything, we could just go like a tiny bit lower in the back. The thing will sit very, very nice. just seen the BBS's in the reflection. Ooh. The LMs is hidden. It's crazy how much just like a set of wheels can change your car. That sounds good. Big difference from stock intake as far as sound. Oh, sounds good, bro. I'm pleased. Crack the windows a bit, see if we get some more noise. That induction noise is nice. Nice. I can't wait to tune this thing with the headers, bro. This is gonna be crazy. Well, guys, the F is sounding nice, man. We still got a nice little journey to go, but we made some significant progress, though. She's sounding better, looking better. All right, guys, check it out. Oof. She is looking like a beaut. The rear on this side looks a little raised because of the pavement, but we got the stink bug look going on. But she's clean. This is why I want to get the bumper painted, because this shit bothers the hell out of me. Doesn't look bad. Just clean, man. It's coming along. Aero kit, hood. You know. The full sauce is coming.